back to my channel. I am Sandy if you're new, and today I want to show you all some junk journal, hidden journaling pocket ideas for you to use in your journals. They're flip outs of hidden journaling. So please remember to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. It really helps get my videos out to other folks out there like you guys. And I just want to do a shout out. I want to thank all the new subscribers. I have quite a few new subscribers and I really appreciate it, and I hope you keep coming back. And so let's get started. So this is the first one. So you have that tucked in there, and then it opens up like this. And what you do is you would glue this part onto your journal page, and if you want you can just glue around the edges, so then when it's on a journal page you have a pocket or a tuck back behind there. So let me show you how to make this one. So you take just a regular 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. You can use anything, coffee dyed, decorative paper, you know, this is just copy paper just to show you. So you're going to start off having it vertical like this, and you're going to fold this into thirds, and it doesn't matter, you know, it can be just eyeball it, right? You don't have to do any measuring or anything like that. And then I'm going to rotate this one over, and I want this to just overhang the edge by just a little bit, and make sure it stays straight as possible. There we go. And then I'm going to take and just fold this in half and just put a little press right there just to make a mark, and that gives you the center. So then you want to fold this one in, and then fold this in to make a little point. And just use your bone folder to get that down. And then you want to fold this over, and I usually leave about a half an inch just to give it like a little, make it look like an envelope kind of tuck. Press that down, and then you want to take the bottom half and then fold it up. And I like to again, this is about a ½ inch from the top, and that way when you have it on your page, this will be your second tuck spot. Press that down, and then you take your pointy part and you just slide it right into there. Yep. There we go. The paper got twisted, and just slide it in right like that. So it's as easy as that. And then on a journal page, just grab this little book here, find a blank. Do I have any blank pages left? Here we go. So what you would do is you could either sew this onto the page or glue just around the edges so you'll have a pocket. And if you're going to sew, you want to open this all the way up, and you would sew just here, here, and here. So then it would be sewed to the page. I just usually just glue it, and then I have 3 pockets right there, or 2 pockets right there. So fold this down. And you have that in there, and I'll show you. So then you have a pocket here, and then you'll have a pocket back here. And so when you want to open up, it's basically a hidden journaling spot. You just take whatever's in the pockets out, and then you would lift this up, and this would be glued down to the page, and then you can open it up, and then you can do your journaling in here. So that is the first one. And let me show you the second one. Okay, the second one I'm going to show you is again with an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and this you can either have a double or a triple pocket. So you'll have a pocket here in the front, and then you can have a pocket here, and then a pocket behind. And the same one, you would either just glue or sew this to the page. And then you have your hidden journaling by just opening this up and then opening all of that up. So let me show you how to make this, okay? So the first thing you want to do is you want to fold your paper in half, long ways, like this. So fold it in half, and then the next thing that you want to do is you want to take this and fold it into thirds. So you want to, the easiest thing to do is to kind of pick it up this way, and you'll want these to line up pretty close. Like you want to have a little bit of some space here so that you can tuck these in. So just kind of eyeball it to where you're good with it. And so then you'd fold this side, and you want to get it nice with the bone folder, and then you fold this one in and get that one nice and smooth. And then you open it back up, and then what you do is you take each corner and you fold the corner in to the middle. So you want to line it right up to that edge, not on it, just right to the side of it. And you want to do each of the 4 corners and smooth them down with your bone folder. And then you want to close it back up, and if you've done it pretty good, then all of these should line up pretty well. And this one looks pretty good. And then all you have to do is you want to take one side and tuck it into the other side right there. And that's all there is to it. And so when you want to do make this a pocket in the front, you can't just slide it in there because it'll go right through the bottom. What you want to do is get it into this part here, in between these, and then it'll be a pocket. And then you have your second pocket right here. And then your third pocket is when you glue this down to the page, like I showed you there at the beginning. So that would be your third pocket back there. So here you have triple pocket and a hidden journaling flip out there. Okay, let me show you all another one here. Okay, here's the third one that I'm going to show you. So this becomes a corner tuck. So you can have a pocket right here, a tuck, and then also you have your hidden journaling. And so you flip this up and flip it down, and then the whole paper opens up, and then you have your hidden journaling there. And then it folds back up. And you can put it up here. If you put it up in the corner, then your paper will open up this way. So you can put it in any corner, will work. You can put it in that corner, or you can put it in that corner. So let me show you how to make this one. So this one, you start with, again, an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and you fold it up again in half. Line it up as best you can. And then you're going to take these two sides right here, these two corners, and you're going to fold them down to the bottom of this edge. And so you want to line it up to where it lines up just right. And that's pretty good. Okay, so you've taken and folded this down. So then you're going to take this side and you fold it all the way up to the edge, but you're going to have this long overhang down here. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to open this back up and we're going to fold this in. But an easy little trick is to kind of flip this up just so you can kind of see that edge right there. You can kind of get a rough line that you need. And so then you want to fold it in this way, like this. And you want to fold it to that point right there. That's where you want your fold to be. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. So yeah, so you had this down, and then you open it back up, and then you fold this in to that little point right there. So now you're looking like this. And then what you do is you take this corner and you flip it up to where it's aligns to this edge right here. Okay, and then you open this side back up, and then you close this side, and then you close it again. And sometimes, you know, if you don't get everything lined up perfectly, it's okay. You can just kind of make any adjustments you need to make, and then you'll fold this one over on this side. And that's as easy as that. So now you would glue on the very back here or sew it onto the page. Show you here. So like here, and then you just, and so you have your tuck, and then you flip this up, and then you can get to your full 8.5. So this is the part that's glued down right here, and that is the back. So fold all this back up and fold that over. So that is what is glued to the page. All right, well, I hope you all give these hidden pocket tuck ideas, hidden journaling, and pockets or tucks a try. I wanted to kind of make one video where they're all in one video and play it back over and over again. So I hope you all enjoy this, and I hope you give them a try. I like to use coffee dyed paper or avocado dyed paper. I think that makes a really pretty element, and then you can decorate it up. You can put, and that's what's nice is like you can decorate these. You can put stickers on these. You can put lace, you know, other pieces of decorative scrapbook paper. You can put stickers. You can stamp on them. So these can be decorated up, because it's okay to decorate those up, because it's still, everything will function correctly. And yeah, so maybe I'll make a couple decorated ones and show them to you over the next few weeks, and kind of show you some decorated ones. But I wanted to give you the mechanics of how to make these, and you all can practice with them. I've also done them with scrapbook paper or decorative paper, and those are really pretty as well. So lots of different options, and I certainly hope that you give them a try. All right, I will talk to y'all soon.